Hello viewers, now we are going to see on video lecture for the topic nested class from the second unit of object oriented programming, and the objectives of studying this topic is to understand the concepts of nested class in Java and to apply the nested classes in Java programming. In Java, a class can have another class as its member. The class written within another class is also called as nested class, and the class that holds the inner class is called as outer class. So the inner class is defined inside the body of another class. And another one thing is the inner class can be of private, public, protected or with default access, whereas an outer class can have only the public or default access. And the syntax is class outer demo. Inside the outer class we can have the definition for the inner class, that is the name of the inner class here is nested demo. And the type of nested classes, there are two types of nested classes are there in Java. They are non-static and static nested classes. And inner classes are considered as or otherwise they are called as non-static nested classes. Normally a class cannot be related with the access specifier private. However, if a class is defined as a member of another class, then the inner class can be declared as private. The inner classes are of three types: member inner class, method local inner class and anonymous inner class. Member inner class means it is a class that is written within another class. Unlike the class, an inner class can be private, and if we declare the inner class as private, the thing is it cannot be accessed from an object outside the class. And we can see the example program for the member inner class. We are having the outer class with the class name outer class, and next we are having the inner, under the outer class we are having the inner class with the name inner class. Inside the inner class we have defined one method display, and the display method is printing something like this is an inner class n value of n. Actually the value of n is 20, and we are having another one method that is print inner. Actually in this method is available under the outer class. We have closed the inner class, so the method print inner is present under the outer class, and inside this method we are generating the object for the inner class, that is in object, and we are calling the display method. And in the main function and in the main class and in the main function we are creating the object for the outer class. With the help of the object of the outer class we are calling the print inner method. But here is the problem is we are trying to, first of all the print inner class print inner method will be called. Instead it is calling the method display. But since we have declared our inner class as private, the method of the inner class cannot be called with the help of the object that is created under another class. So this is the problem with the private declaration of the inner class. That's all about the topic, and in this topic we can get the question like explain the use of nested classes or explain the concept of nested classes with the example program. Thank you.